Urukiko rwitabirwemo abebembezwa rwo mu district 12 eza Burenge bw'Izooba barimu ba RDC ba chairman b'entebe za katano bakawo hamwe n'aba diso n'ekigendererwa cyo kwegesa buri omwe omwogo gwashemerire kukora mu kwetebekanisiza okugaruza busendanga muntu na za passport
obuzubo buri ayibura munonga no kushanga ba LC1 ninga ba giso nibakwata abantu abaheru babahereze baraha nk'abantu ab'umunda nk'abanyarwanda icyo kituretera obuzubu abo kwa kuturu kucekinga system zezinde za immigration y'abantu border ushanga umuntu ine ID yihanga irindi kandi ine na ID ya kandi icyo tuturi kucyenda
muberamu abantu nga ba operating nga churches umanyo umuntu okusimbawo church n'otandika okukola n'otandika okujoperating ate kubanga etudde kutaka sibe kiri kati ibintu abantu biba complain nti waliwo abantu operating churches ngate olusi ba refugees
urukora ba RDC n'abahwezo babo mu Burenge bw'Izooba Lieutenant Colonel James Mwesige mwaraburira bari kuri ebituga okukora bitashikire.
Why I say fellow sailors of Uganda, if you can stop saying this country, no, the country will not be sold. We are thieves. But now you don't steal. I don't want that myself. Don't steal. Can we stop stealing?
Shumanguzi na muno aba bantu abakuba mbende byo kwinura umundangamuntu nk'emyaka arikwenda kiteka omucakwenda azo bumwe twatagana na CID police yakwandika report azo shangaza mebituga
bamwe habaye jumbiro mu rukiko ru hine bagamba
that there should be an appropriate document to address the issue of the lost IDs.
One, the 2006 Refugee Act and the regulations 2010, their own, mandates a refugee after registration and given a card, attestation card, or an ID, refugee ID, mandates that particular person to move from Soro to Nimuli, Busia, but within the confines of Uganda boundaries.
Gashakwa na Good Fatima.